drum kit.
Hi, my name's Kai and I also play drum kit.
Hi, my name's Taya and I play the flute and I've been playing for 3 years.
Hi, my name's Rain. I play the trumpet and I've been playing for 3 years.
My name is James and I play the clarinet.
My name is Maya and I play percussion.
My name is Noah and I also play percussion.
Hey, my name is Andrew De Silva and I'm in the band and I play the euphonium.
My name is Arana and I play saxophone.
My name is Vicky and I play the alto saxophone.
Hi, my name is Sophia and I play the trombone. I've been playing it for 1.5 years and the thing I like about it is because it's a brass instrument and I'm a huge fan of brass instruments.
Hi, my name is Jordan and I play the alto saxophone. I have been playing for 5 or 6 years.
My name is Rosie and I play the flute. I really like the flute because it plays soft melodic sounds.
Hi, my name is Will and I play the instrument called the trombone.
So my name is Carter. I play the bass clarinet. I've been playing the clarinet for 5 years and last term I upgraded to a bass clarinet.
Hi, my name is Eva Day and my favourite part of Karawatha is meeting new people.
I played this clarinet for about 3 years already.
I've been playing saxophone for 2 years and my favourite song is Trumpet Hero.
My name is Paige and I play the clarinet. There are 2 things that I like about Karawatha is meeting brand new people from different schools and learning lots of different songs.
My name is Claire and my favourite part about Karawatha is making new friends.
One, two, three, go.
My name's Ruby and I play the clarinet, and two things I've learned at Karawatha is we get to play nice music, and I've only just learned to play a new note on the clarinet.
I learned that when you're playing in a big band, then you have to listen to each other more than, like, you're not just playing solo. You have to listen to each other so that it can all blend together and sound like an actual band.
Well, I've learnt new songs, and I've learnt that I need to practice my breathing, and I've learnt how to breathe a little bit better.
We've learned how to play like slower songs and learning the rhythm. So, yeah.
I like playing the clarinet because it comes out with a nice sound, and it sounds really nice.
What I like playing the clarinet is playing some high notes, some particular ones like high D or low E.
The trombone isn't that hard to play. You just have to get the slide positions in the right position. That's the only hard thing about it.
My favourite song is Funky Down.
Best thing about Karawatha is being able to play with my friends.
The best thing about Karawatha to me is when you have a big band like this and then all the different parts mesh together, so it sounds really nice.
I like playing with a big group of people because when you make a mistake, you can barely hear it.
My favourite part about Karawatha is probably seeing people from all the different schools that I've been to because I've travelled through schools a lot. For instance, Sam, I've met him from when I went to his school. Yes, and a few other people.
Wait, you went to my school?
Yeah, he went to my school.
I actually remember coming into these workshops in 4th, 5th, 6th grade and having the Runcorn State High School mentors look after me and help me.
The best thing about Karawatha is playing together and meeting new people.
The best thing about Karawatha is where we all get together and play the song.
Yeah, the best thing about Karawatha is also what she said. I love the songs.
My favourite part about Karawatha so far is that I have tried new instruments like the timpani and the temple blocks, which is a really good learning experience for me.
The best thing about Karawatha is, as I mentioned before, the opportunities it creates for people and the reflection it has on our school, I think, is also very good. I remember coming to this school and remembering Karawatha, and I had done that as a kid.
My favourite part was also trying new instruments. That's really fun. Yeah.
Because you can always learn something different each day.
And the best thing about Karawatha is like getting all the primary school kids and like seeing smiles on their faces. And yeah, just joining into the band.
The best thing about Karawatha is I get to meet new people and play music.
The best thing about Karawatha is that they play a lot of music.
Karawatha!
Karawatha!
Karawatha!